What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day and hope you all had a nice weekend. So let's start our analysis with nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, and anyone who is watching me from India or anyone who can speak Hindi or Urdu, you can always translate my audio according to your own language. Just all you need to do, click on settings and audio track, and here you can see all the languages where you want to translate my video: French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, and Spanish. And they are also adding some more languages. So that is a good thing. Just wanted to share with you. So starting with natural gas, what do we have right here? Now price is still inside the rejection box. I want to see my own platform first, which is my tested platform, Ovanda and Capital.com as well. So first, I already have set my double bottom area, which we were prepared for, which is 3.329, goes up to 3.375. So all I'm waiting, very simple, just a pullback and rejection here without a candle to close below these lows. Engulfer 382 candle or a pin bar exactly like this. I want to see within this zone without a candle to close below these lows. Remember, if we have a candle closed below this low, in that case we will turn bearish till the lower level of this zone. So we have a nice first bottom, and I'm waiting for the second bottom to take my entries. Now just to give you a heads up, if that turns out to be a bearish engulfer, it is not one of my sell signal, in case you're wondering, because it invalidates one of my entry rules. So don't get alarmed if that turns out to be a bearish engulfer. Instead, I'm waiting for the price to come down to my rejection box. I've already mentioned these zones in my last video. Feel free to check them out. In case you're wondering, which is right here, as you can see, you can mark these zones on your charts. Pause this video and have the zone above and zone below. So that is all I'm looking at. And before I get lots of messages about these signals here, let me tell you, it is a bot I've just created. I'm just testing that. It is nothing major, or I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but once it gives a good results, I'm gonna keep you guys informed, and it will be there in front of you in my videos, and we can test that together. So for now, just a condition, I'm looking for my double bottom area, and the zone is still there. I'm looking at if the price pushes down to the lower level, I'm still expecting a full bounce. Remember, as long as price is not broken below these lows, we are still not bearish for natural gas. On a daily time frame, we have first bottom and engulfing candle, not an engulfing candle, it opens above. But if you look here on this platform right here, that is an engulfing candle. Let's see, not here as well. So on NEMEX, let's see that as well, not an engulfing candle on a daily. So in that case, what I do, if there is not an engulfing candle on daily, we can look for simply a double bottom on daily as well. So on both time frames, I'm looking for the entry condition, pullback, rejection, double bottom. That is all I'm looking at. If you have a nice engulfer here after this red candle, remember, previous candle must be a red candle, then a green engulfing candle. That is the pin bar, and a green bullish candle shows a good bullish pressure. I'm still expecting a price to bounce up from here. So keep an eye. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at on all three platforms. Now on Capital.com, double bottom has already been formed right here. Like I mentioned, I'm still expecting a push up at least to these area right here, and expecting a price to form condition here, a triple top here. So still bullish for here, nice bullish pin bars right here, good bullish pressure. And if you look here on a daily time frame, we have first bottom, green candle will confirm the second bottom as well. So keep an eye. It is a good level from where I'm expecting a nice bounce out of. Exactly on NEMEX, nice pin bar at the double bottom on 4 hour. But if we have one more nice engulfing candle here, in that case we have a strongest double bottom. If we have a green candle, in that case we'll also have an RSI divergence that makes a strong signal and weakening in bearish momentum, and that will push the price higher as well. So it is something I'm looking at. We are in a buying area from where I'm expecting another bounce if we have a valid double bottom. We do have right here an aggressive double bottom. Engulfing candle will be a strongest entry right here. On MCX right here, we have a double bottom already set right here with an engulfing candle. Again, we are at the level of support right here. If you are looking at on MCX platform, expect a bounce till the level above, which I've already mentioned in my last video. Coming here on gold. Now, gold is pushing up nicely and have retested 50% of Fibonacci retracement. So from here, there can be two conditions. If this candle turns out to be a red candle, which is very good, and if we have a next candle as an engulfing candle, that will be my valid pullback entry bullish, and I'm gonna go long using 1 ATR, which is $31 from a take profit. That is 3,000 pips almost. And for aggressive traders, like I mentioned in my last video, that is your buy limit order. Take profit 1 is right till here, which is 3,000 pips. $30 take profit 2 can be right here at the level 1 of Fibonacci retracement, which is 5,000 pips. And TP3 is right here, which is a very big take profit, which I would manage my trades like this if you want to manage till the upper level. But if you want to grab it profits till here or till here, which is totally fine. That is what we need to get from the market. So aggressive entry right here has been triggered. Less aggressive entry. Wait for the red green engulfing candle and use 1 ATR for your stop loss and take profit. Here on silver, so all I'm looking at engulfing candle above 50 EMA. Once we have that, I'm gonna go long. If the next candle turns out to be a bullish engulfer, a heads up here, that won't be a valid engulfing candle. So I want to see some solid pullback above 50 EMA, engulfing candle above 50 EMA. In that case, I'm gonna go long. So that is what I'm looking at. Engulfing candle within this zone that was recently broken and recent resistance has turned support. 31.17 goes up to 32.05 from where we are looking for the buy entry condition. The next major zone to sell is right up there, which I'm going to keep you guys informed once we have a good momentum over this area of value. So keep an eye, only buy trades for silver, but only with an entry conditions. Finally, we have crude oil. Crude oil has formed head and shoulder bullish pattern. Again, that is not a perfect pattern. I want to see a solid pullback and engulfing candle for the valid entry condition. But again, using a discretion, there is right here, that could be an entry, this could be an entry, 1 ATR till here, and that would have hit your take profit from here to here. Now what to expect from it? We are still below 50 EMA. A breakout above 50 EMA will confirm that the price is likely going to push up to 65.10, goes up to 66.49, from where we're going to look for bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern. For now, looking at this pattern, I'm expecting a breakout above 50 EMA and I'm still bullish for crude oil. If you have a dramatic fall, then I will look for my double bottom and that will be the strongest entry condition. If that happens, if you have a dramatic fall, as crude oil run heavily with fundamentals, in case of dramatic news events, price fallen here, then it is an area from where I want to enter my buy trades. For now, we are bullish. Head and shoulder pattern has been triggered. Expect a push up out of crude oil. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.